How to make another Facebook account. So if you want to make another Facebook account, then first open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Scroll down, go with settings and privacy, and tap on logout, which is on the bottom of your screen, and tap on create new account. Once you tap on it, now tap on get started, and then enter your first and last name, and tap on next. And after that, you need to enter your date of birth. So enter your date of birth, make sure to enter the correct date of birth, and tap on set. Go with next, choose your gender, and then tap on next, and enter your mobile number, and again tap on next. But if you want to sign up with email address, you can simply go with sign up with email address. I'll be choosing sign up with email, and I'll be entering the email address. But you can also choose sign up with mobile number and tap on next. So if you already have an account with that email or mobile number, and if you want to again create another one, then simply go with continue creating account and create a password. After creating, tap on next. And if you want to save your login info, you can go with save and then agree with the terms and policies and tap on no create new account. And after confirming with the verification code, your account will be created. So that's how you can make another Facebook account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.